How to connect your phone to a TV wirelessly. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your phone to a TV wirelessly. Perfect for watching videos, showing photos, or mirroring your screen on a bigger display. Let's get started. First, make sure your phone and TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is super important for wireless casting to work. Now swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the control center, if you don't have the screen mirroring option on your control center. Then simply tap on plus icon. After that, select Add a Control. Go to the search bar and search for Screen Mirroring. Tap on it to add it on the control center. Tap on Screen Mirroring. Your phone will now search for available devices. When your TV or streaming device appears, like Apple TV or any smart TV that supports AirPlay, tap on its name. In a few seconds, your entire phone screen will appear on your TV. You can now open apps, play videos, or show photos, and they'll display on the big screen instantly. To stop mirroring, just open the control center again, tap Screen Mirroring, and select Stop Mirroring. This is a fast and wireless way to enjoy your phone's content on a bigger display without any cables or adapters. If this helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more mobile tricks, and leave a comment if you have any questions. That's all for the video.